So here's the question. Are you a pro at using your shop vac, or are you a beginner? Let's find out. Not bad. Fairly clean. Paper filter. Yeah, if this is what your shop vac looks like, congratulations, you're a beginner. Surprised? Let's see what a pro looks like. Did you spot the three things that are different? If not, let me just point them out to you real quick. Okay, so maybe this isn't the difference between a pro and a beginner with a shop vac, but you get my point. There's the easy way that we can use tools, and then there's a better way. And sometimes the better way, in the long run, actually saves us time, saves us cleanup, might save us money, might not. It's hard to say. The things you see here today, this bag, this green filter, and this exhaust baffle, aren't expensive things. I'll throw some links in the descriptions just to help you do some shopping. And feel free to pick them up from wherever you want. You can buy these at the big box store. You can get them online, Walmart, Amazon. Anyway, the bag is really there to help this expensive part live longer. So I don't really care to get into the habit of cleaning these and reusing them. Some people do, and I guess if that's your thing, then go for it. I tend to throw these out when they get really dirty and replace them because I don't, dang. The fire's too hot, I gotta move. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah. I don't really care to clean these out. Some people do. I've got friends that do, and anyway, it's just not me. So if you don't have a bag in your shop vac, this is the first thing that's going to fill up with debris and get nasty, and you'll be tempted to take it outside and beat it to death to get all the dirt and grime out of it. If you use a bag, these bags are, I don't know, $1 a piece if you buy a pack of 15 or 20 of them. And these you can fill up and throw out, and you'll notice that this guy stays pretty clean. Without any of this in here, this is kind of a 0-stage air filter, or I guess maybe a 1-stage air filter. You turn it on and you're sucking sawdust and debris through here. It goes through this paper filter and then out the non-baffled exhaust port. And if you happen to use this inside your house, you might notice that this guy barfs sawdust all over your living room, and you didn't really want that. So by adding things like these, I wouldn't even call them accessories necessarily. By adding a bag, you're catching the really big stuff. By adding a filter like this is a 0.3 micron filter, which will catch the invisible stuff that can really hurt your lungs. This is your second stage filter to clean the air, and that means what's coming out of here is actually a little bit cleaner. And even though this is just a sound baffle, it does do a little bit to grab anything that might get through. So if you're using this indoors, this can help. So why do I bother with all this? Because a lot of times we go and we buy a shop vac and we might not know that there's different filters that you can get for them, or that there's bags that you can put in them. If you're using this as a wet vac, take the bag out and take the filter off. You don't want any paper around if you're going to use this in a wet environment. But my videos are usually about woodworking, and I try not to use wet sawdust. So there you have it. The difference between a beginner and a pro when it comes to setting up a shop vac. Now these filters, these baffles, these bags, they're available for practically every shop vac that you could imagine out there. Whether you have a tall one, a short one like this one, a smaller capacity one, square one, rectangular, shop vacs come in all shapes and sizes now, and you can get filters and bags for all of them. So, hope you found this video helpful. That's it for me, friend. Until next time, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out. Whew. Thought my shirt was going to catch fire there. Okay, where were we? Oh, right. I don't really care to replace the...